förresten. Använda pinnar.
Kolla. Mamma hittar.
Vad vi akta?
Vad är det? Is it food?
It's really soft. They will not eat it. And they will not bite it because it's really soft. Crab.
Is it new?
Ah, no, sorry. I don't know.
You pull the thingy?
That's, I told you, it's really soft.
Yeah.
Fick jag se